Hi everyone. Hi Tanya. Hi Satyanarayan. Hi Mohit. Hi Aaron. Shashank. Tanisha. Anil. Himanshi. तो कैसे हो आप लोग? How are you all? Hi Ujjwal. Devil Mania. Harini. Fine. Okay, Tanisha. Hi Gitanjali. I am all good. Hi Bhumika. Hi Manan. Hi Ujjwal. Devil Mania. Harini. Hi Akash Pathak. Hi Ayana. Hi Deepika. Hi Deepika. I know Saurabh Saxena, you are Deepika. Hi मोहित, एकदम बढ़िया हूँ मैं. आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? Thank you Tanisha, thank you so much. Hi Neeti. Harini, I am all good. Hi Kunal. So hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. As you all know, we are here for a better future. So I hope that you all are doing well. सब लोग अच्छे हो, मजे में हो, you all are safe. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for all the compliments. Now let's start the session with some positive thoughts. So we need to accept that we won't always make the right decision. हम accept कर सकते हैं कि that it's not always possible to make right decision. Sometime we will screw up royally. So कभी कभार चीजें खराब भी हो सकती हैं. Understand that failure is not opposite of success. Failure, it is a part of your success. आप गिरोगे भी और गिर के उठना भी चाहिए. So guys, as you all know that the weather is not good. It may be good in your city, but here it is raining from morning. So there might be some network issues from my side. थोड़ी video blur हो सकती है, lagging हो सकती है, but it will be not that much. थोड़ा बहुत होगा because I am having issue with my network. So please try to cooperate. थोड़ा बहुत blur होगा, but today we are going to have everything theoretical. So अगर blur भी है तो भी चलेगा because I am going to explain you. So you can just hear me. So yes, it's raining from morning. Hi Astha. मैम रात से ही बारिश हो रही है यामी. ओके, परेशान हो गए. सेम हेयर. तो चलिए, before starting the session, please let me request that guys, let's stop this COVID together. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy and stay healthy. And today we will be learning very important topic of accounts. It is very important, basic accounting concept. So हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम basic accounting concepts करने वाले हैं. And if you guys are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel guys so that you can watch a daily live session. Also make sure that you hit the like button below and you share it along with your friends. So like, share and subscribe. And if you have not joined us on Telegram group yet, then please take a moment to join this group also because you will be getting all the YouTube notes here. So come on, go and join it as soon as possible. Hi Bhupendra, hi Ranveer, hi Kumkum, hi everyone, hi Anita. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं आज का शेड्यूल. दिस इज योर टुडे शेड्यूल एंड वी आर हैविंग द लास्ट क्लास एट 7 p.m. Already liked Diana. Okay, so those who have not liked it, go and come on, like it. Ujjwal, it is not that buffering. It is not that much buffering. It may happen that you are also having a network issue. Because if it will buffer for everyone, not only for you, na. So if it is buffering a lot, then it might be a network issue from your side. So please check your network, guys. तो चलिए अब चलते हैं main चीज पे. This is class 11 session guys. This is Udaan batch. We will be taking Udaan with Sheetal Ma'am. And we will be continuing our chapter number 3, which we have started yesterday. कल हमने एक नया chapter start किया था. So we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 3, theory base of accounting. So welcome. We don't rage. Thank you so much for the compliment also. So guys, आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? Into this session and today's session, we are going to discuss basic accounting concepts, which are very crucial for accounting, which are very important for accounting. So let's see the learning outcomes of this session. So these are the topics that we will be covering in this session. We will cover meaning of accounting concept. Also, this was discussed yesterday. Yesterday, I told you the meaning of concept. So today also we will discuss the meaning of accounting concept. Then we will discuss the types of accounting concept. And first 4 concepts we will discuss briefly in today's session. So आज हम ये चारों concept, business entity, money measurement, going concern, accounting period, we will discuss it briefly today. So are you guys ready for the session? Are you guys ready? Kushal, it can't happen that voice cannot come. If it is not coming, please check out your system. Okay, so everyone is super ready, full josh mein hai. Super duper ready. Okay, so let's start the session now. It's time to start the session. So let's start with the meaning of accounting concept. ये accounting concept क्या होते हैं? What is accounting concept? So in previous session, I have told you that concept means assumption or ideas. These are the assumptions that you have to assume, that you have to make while doing accounting. आपको मानना पड़ेगा ये चीजें while doing accounting. So what is the meaning of accounting concept? The meaning of accounting concept is the basic accounting concept are referred to fundamental ideas. These are ideas or these are basic assumptions underlying the theory and practice of financial accounting. Underlying the theory and practice means you have to follow them, you have to follow the idea, you have to follow the assumption while doing accounting. And these are the broad working rules for all the accounting activity. These are the rules that you have to follow while doing accounting. And these are developed by accounting profession. These are developed by accounting profession. So basically, the accounting concept, these are fundamental ideas or these are basic assumptions. This we have discussed yesterday also. Now, what are the different types of accounting concept? What are the different types of accounting concept? So there are total 13 types of accounting concept. There are total 13 type of accounting concept and you can see the list of different types. So today we are going to discuss the first 4 and the remaining will be discussed in the next session. बाकी के जो है वो अगले सेशन में डिस्कस होंगे. So the first accounting concept that we have for today is business entity. पहला कौन सा principle है? पहला कौन सा accounting concept है? Business entity. So now I am going to explain you this in brief. So please be very attentive as I will not repeat any concept again. I'm sorry guys, I will not be able to repeat any concept again because we have to complete 4 concepts. So coming on to the first concept, it's time to start with these 4 concepts. The first concept that we have is business entity concept. The first concept that we have is business entity concept. Now, in notes, some paragraphs, some points are given which you can read after the session. Right now, I will explain in my own language and then you can read the notes on the Telegram group. So I will explain in my own language with the help of example. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि ये बिजनेस एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट कहता क्या है. Now let's take an example. This is Mr. X, guys. This is Mr. X. And he started a business. Mr. X ने एक business start किया. So Mr. X is the owner. Mr. X is the owner of the business and he started a business. Now, what does this business entity concept say? What this say and how we will follow that? So, according to business entity concept, owner and business. According to business entity concept, owner and business, they are two separate entities. Or you can say that business is a separate entity. Business has no connection with owner. Business is a separate entity and a separate existence, separate identity. Business alag hai, owner alag hai according to business entity concept. Owner and business are not same. Business and owner are not same. Bhupendra entity means company, firm, or it is an economic unit which conduct any legal activity. Entity means any economic unit which conduct legal activity. So, according to business entity concept, business is a separate entity different from owner. So, according to this concept, there will be separate books. For business and owner. According to this principle, according to this concept, business will have its own set of books and owner will have its own set of books. दोनों की books जो होंगी वो अलग अलग होंगी. Like when we prepare notebook for accounts and economic, we prepare it separately. We will prepare a separate notebook for accounts. We will prepare a separate notebook for economic because they are two different subjects. Similarly, these are two different persons. Owner is a different person, business is a different person, so they will have their own set of books. And the personal transactions of owner, if owner is doing something, then the personal transaction of owner will not be recorded in the books of business. Because owner is different, business is different. So the personal assets of the owner, the personal liabilities of the owner, the personal transactions of the owner, you will not record in the business books. तो जो भी बिजनेस की पर्सनल ट्रांजैक्शन होंगी, जो भी ओनर के पर्सनल एसेट होंगे, जो भी ओनर की पर्सनल ट्रांजैक्शन होंगी, they will not be recorded in the business books because owner is a different person. मैं क्यों किसी और का खर्चा अपनी बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड करूं? मैं क्यों किसी के एसेट्स अपनी बुक में रिकॉर्ड करूं? So in the books of business, you will not record owner expenses, owner income because these are पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ ओनर. तो ओनर का कुछ भी पर्सनल हम लोग अपनी बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. So this is business entity concept. This is business entity concept, that business has a separate legal entity. So the concept of business entity assumes that business has a distinct and a separate entity from its owner. Business has a distinct and a separate entity from its owner. It means that for the purpose of accounting, when you will do accounting, business and owner are to be treated as two separate entities. You will treat them as a two different person. You will treat business and owner as a two separate entity. So this is business entity concept. Now, this is the example. Let me explain you this example in summary. So, keeping this concept in view, when a person brings in money as capital, when owner brings money as capital, it is recorded as liability. It is recorded as liability because we assume that an outsider is investing money. Because owner is a different person according to this concept. Because owner is a different person according to this concept. So when owner will invest capital, we will assume that an outsider is investing money, and therefore it will be treated as a liability. And similarly, when owner withdraw money from business, we assume that an outsider is withdrawing money. So it is treated as reduction of owner capital. Ronak sir, is it buffering? Let me cross check, guys. Is it really buffering or not? Give me 1 minute. No, guys, it's not buffering. So, guys, it's not buffering from my side. Please check your network issue. Only the network speed is slow, but it's not buffering. So, please focus on the session. Please don't write buffering because it distracts me and I'm not able to teach properly. So, don't write anything else in the chat box. If you have doubt, please only write that. Then otherwise you will say, ma'am, you get irritated. So please focus on the session. Okay. Now, this is the main point. So, as I have told you that in the books of business and books of owner are separate. Owner will have its own books. Business will have its own book. So, the accounting records are made in the books of account from the point of business. We are preparing all the books from the point of business and not from the point of owner. जब भी हम कोई भी transaction record करेंगे, whenever we will record any transaction, we will record it from the point of view of owner. From the point of view of business and not from the owner. So, the personal assets and liabilities of the owner are not recorded in the books. You will not record any personal asset of the owner, any personal liability of the owner, because owner is a different person, owner is a separate entity. Similarly, personal transactions of owner are not recorded in the books. So neither we will record the personal asset or liability of the owner, nor we will record the personal transactions of owner. Because owner is a different person, business is a different person, they will have separate books of accounts. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Saurabh, there will be no difference. Like we prepare different notebook, owner will have different book, business will have different book, like we have a different notebook for every subject. Ma'am, if owner will take a liability for business, then it will not be recorded. If you are doing anything for business, then it will be recorded in business. Any personal transaction will not be recorded, but if anything is related to business, then you have to record that. So business transactions will be recorded, only personal transactions will not be recorded. If he's purchasing a necklace for his wife, if he's purchasing a car for his son, then those personal transactions we have to ignore. Drawings will be recorded in business books because drawing, you are withdrawing from business. So it is a business transaction. You will record it in the books of business. Now coming on to the second concept, which is a very important one. Money measurement concept. The next concept we have is money measurement concept. Now, when we were discussing characteristics of accounting in the first chapter, we have covered characteristics of accounting. So in that, one of the feature was accounting records only monetary transaction. We have discussed this feature in the first chapter. Accounting records only monetary transaction. So what does this money measurement means? This means that in accounting, only those transactions and happenings are recorded which can be expressed in terms of money. In accounting, we only record those transactions and those happening which can be expressed in terms of money, such as sale of goods, payment of expenses, receipt of income. We will only record those transactions which we can express in terms of money. All the transactions which cannot be expressed in terms of money, the transaction which you cannot express in terms of money, like appointment of manager. You appointed a manager, you cannot express in terms of money. Retirement of manager, strike of employees, we cannot express such transaction in terms of money. So these transactions do not find a place in the accounting records. They do not find a place. They are not recorded in the books. So according to money measurement concept, we only record those transactions and those events which are expressed, which can be expressed in terms of money. Otherwise, you will ignore other transactions. So another important aspect of the concept of money is measurement. Another important aspect is that the records of the transaction are to be kept not in the physical unit. You cannot maintain the record in terms of physical unit. You have to maintain in terms of monetary unit. For example, I am purchasing 5 table. I will not record it as 5 table. I will record the value of 5 table in terms of money. So the records are not maintained in terms of physical unit. They are maintained in terms of monetary unit, in terms of money. So this is a better example, guys. Physical units mean number of item. Physical unit means number of item. So for example, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, एक कंपनी है जिसके पास 2 एकड़ लैंड है. अ कंपनी हैज 2 acre लैंड, ऑफिस बिल्डिंग कंटेनिंग 10 रूम, 30 personal computer, 30 office chair and table, a bank balance of rupees 5 lakh, raw material weighing 20 ton, 100 ton of finished goods. एक कंपनी के पास ये सब कुछ है. यानी मॉनेटरी यूनिट मीन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी. Monetary unit means in terms of money. Now in this example, a company has a lot of items. It has 2 acre land, it has 30 computer, 30 tables, office building having 10 rooms, 5 lakh bank balance, raw material weighing 10 tons, 100 cartons of finished goods. So there are lot of items which are expressed in a different unit. Every item is expressed in a different unit. Land has 2 acre, office is of 10 rooms, computer are 30, table are 30, 5 lakh rupees bank balance, 20 ton raw material, everything is expressed in a different unit. So these assets are expressed in different units, so cannot be added. You cannot record them because we only record items in terms of money. We only record items in terms of money, and only the bank balance is in terms of money. Only the bank balance is in terms of money. So I can't record any other item except bank balance. And if I need to record them for accounting purpose, these are to be shown in money. If you want to record them, then first express them in terms of money and then only you can record it. तो अगर आपको रिकॉर्ड करना है, इनकी वैल्यू निकालो मनी की टर्म्स में and then you can record it. So now we have recorded all the assets in terms of money. Land 2 crore, office 1 crore, computer 15 lakh, office chair and table 2 lakh, raw material 33 lakh, finished goods 4 lakh. We have expressed all the assets in terms of money. हमने सारे assets को money की terms में, पैसों की terms में convert किया. Now the total assets are valued at 3 crore 59 lakh. So at this value, you will record the assets in the book. So at this value, we will record assets in the book. तो पहले यहाँ पर सब physical units में given था and we didn't recorded that. जो भी physical unit में given था उसको record नहीं किया. We calculated their value in terms of money and then we recorded it. So this is money measurement concept. We have to record only those transactions which can be expressed in terms of money. Now, sometimes क्या होता है? Many times the price level changes. Today, the value of 100 rupees is okay. मतलब 100 rupees value है. But आने वाले time में in upcoming year, maybe that value of 100 rupees may lose its value. So the price level may change, and it changes, of course, it will change with the time. So due to changes in the price, the value of money does not remain same. पैसे की जो value कीमत होती है वो same नहीं रहती over a period of time. With time, the value of money will not remain same. So the value of rupee today on account of rise in prices is much less than what it was 10 years back. जो आज पैसे की value है, it is much less than what it was 10 years back. पहले 10 साल पहले पैसे 500 रुपए बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे. And now it is not that much. So, as the change in the value is money is not reflected in the books of account. You do not record that. This is a limitation of accounting, that price level changes are not recorded in the accounting. So the accounting data, it does not reflect the true and fair view. Accounting data, it does not reflect the true and fair view of your financial position because you are not recording the price level changes. So if you are not recording them, you are not showing, you are not depicting a true and fair view of financial position. क्योंकि आप प्राइस लेवल चेंजेस को रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहे, आप नहीं बता रहे कि पहले इसकी ये वैल्यू थी, आज इसकी ये वैल्यू है, सो आप एक ट्रू पिक्चर नहीं शो कर रहे. बाय ऑरन. So this is the meaning of money measurement concept. Is this clear to everyone? Amit, third point is, as the value of money, as the change in the value, it is not recorded in the books. You will not say, you will not write in the book that 10 rupees is having this value right now, and after 10 years it will have this value. You are not recording that value in money, that change in the value in the books. So if you are not recording it, you are not reflecting a true picture of your financial position. This is the third point. नहीं आज था, you can't record it. आप अपनी मर्जी से अकाउंटिंग थोड़ी करोगे. You have to follow the rules and procedure. You have to follow the principle. So you cannot record price level by your own will, by your own choice. Okay, so we have completed two concepts till now, business entity and money measurement. अब चलते हैं तीसरे कॉन्सेप्ट पे. द थर्ड कॉन्सेप्ट इज गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट. गोइंग मीन्स continuing. Going means continuing. Concern means entity. Concern means entity. So what does this going concern concept means? According to this concept, we assume, according to this concept, reflect means, Amit, reflect means show. So going concern concept means that your entity will continue in future. Your entity will continue in future. आपका जो बिजनेस है वो ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. आपका बिजनेस जो है वो अमर है, वो सदा 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 चलते रहेगा. तो उसने अमृत जल पिया है, आपका बिजनेस अमर है. इट विल कंटिन्यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. उसकी लंबी उम्र है. दिव्यांश, अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस मिलेंगी आपको यूट्यूब उस पे, वेदांतु पे. सो the concept of going concern assumes that a business firm would continue to carry out its operation indefinitely. The business will continue its operation for a long period of time and it will not be liquidated. Liquidated means closed. It will not be closed in the near future. आने वाले टाइम में 1-2 साल में बंद नहीं होने वाला बिजनेस. It will continue for a long period of time. So in going concern concept, आप ये मानते हो कि आपका बिजनेस जो है अमर है, एक लंबे टाइम तक चलने वाला है और आने वाले फ्यूचर में बंद नहीं होगा. So the concept of going concern assumes that the business will continue its operation for a long period of time and it will not be liquidated, it will not be closed in the near future. And this is a very important assumption. This is very important assumption because it provides the basis. It provides the basis to show the value of asset in the balance sheet. How we will record assets in the balance sheet, this going concern will guide you. आपको कैसे assets को balance sheet में record करना है, this concept will tell you. Yes, this is only a assumption. This is only a assumption, guys. Hi, Rising Star, after a long time. Now, let's come to an example. Now, please listen to me very carefully. Now, please listen to me very carefully. So, the example is, आज मैंने कोई कंप्यूटर खरीदा. I am purchasing a computer today for 50,000. अब मैंने कोई कंप्यूटर खरीदा है, वो कल तो खराब नहीं हो जाएगा. It will be used for a long period of time. So the computer that I have purchased, it has a estimated life. I am estimating that it will work good for 5 years. It will be there for 5 years. So I am purchasing a computer, an asset computer for 50,000, which I am expecting will work for 5 years. अब अगर कोई चीज 5 साल तक फायदा देने वाली है, तो अगर मैं सारा खर्चा इस साल रिकॉर्ड कर लूंगी, इफ आई विल रिकॉर्ड द टोटल कॉस्ट इन द करंट ईयर, if I will record the total cost in the current year, then it will be bad. It will not be fair, because I am recording the total expense, total cost in the current year, and it is used in the next 5 years. So it's not fair. It will not be fair to record the whole amount 50,000 from the revenue of the year in which the asset is purchased. इस साल परचेज हुआ है, if I am recording the total amount in current year, then it will not be fair. So instead of recording the whole amount, that part of asset which has been consumed during a period, the computer which I am using this year, मुझे लग रहा है कि इस साल 1/4 of the computer will be used, so only that part of asset should be recorded this year. So if I am expecting that this 50,000 rupees computer will work for 5 years, so I will divide this cost into 5 parts. I will divide this cost over the life. I will divide this cost over life over 5 years. Every year I will record only 10,000. Every year I will record only 10,000, because I know that the business will continue for 5 years. I will use the asset for 5 years. So every year I must record equal amount. Every year I must record equal amount. So thus we may charge 10,000 every year for 5 years. Every year I will record 10,000 for 5 years from the profit and loss account. So this is a going concern concept, and you can see earlier you were about to record the asset at 50,000. You were about to record the asset as 50,000, but now you recorded at 10,000. You recorded at 10,000. Is depreciation the consumed value? Yes, Arini, it is the consumed value. Third point I have already explained you guys. मैंने वो line to line नहीं पढ़ा third point, but I have already explained it. So you can read it briefly after the session. But मैम ये कैसे मान सकते हैं हम, और भी तो हो सकता है ना खर्चा, और खर्चा रिपेयरिंग का होगा वो अलग से रिकॉर्ड होगा. अगर और खर्चा होगा तो वो रिपेयरिंग में होगा, that will be recorded separately. So this is the going concern concept. I hope that it is clear to all of you. And now coming on to the next concept, that is accounting period concept. अब अगला concept कौन सा है? Accounting period concept. What is this concept? Accounting period concept क्या है? तो you know that we have to prepare financial statement. It is requirement of law. Law कहता है you have to prepare financial statement. So we have divided life of business into small parts. We have divided life of business into small parts, so that after every interval we can prepare financial statement. We have divided life of business into small intervals, so that after every interval we can prepare financial statement. So what is accounting period concept? Accounting period refers to the span of time at the end of which the financial statements are prepared. Accounting period, it is that time period after which you have to prepare financial statement. Right now it is 1 year. After every 12 month, you have to prepare financial statement. So accounting period is that 12 month after which you have to prepare financial statement. No, so accounting period refers to that time period, refers to that 12 month at the end of which financial statements are prepared. Why the financial statements are prepared? So that we can check whether we have earned profit or we have earned losses, and what is the position of our assets and liability. So we have divided the life into years. We have divided the life into years. After every 12 months, after every accounting period, you have to prepare financial statement so that you can find out whether you have earned profit or you have earned loss, and what is the position of your assets and liability. And such information that you are preparing in 12 months, the financial statement that you are preparing after every 12 months, such information is required by different users. This we have done in the first chapter. There are various users of accounting information: investor, financial authorities, owners, customer. So such information is required by different users at regular interval. उनको time to time आपकी information चाहिए होती है for various purposes. As no firm can wait for a long to know its financial result. अब ज़्यादा time के लिए you will not wait for 10 years to know whether you are running profit or loss. अब 10 साल तो wait नहीं करोगे ना, because if you are finding the result after 10 years, it will be too late to take corrective action. अगर 10 साल बाद आप प्रॉफिट निकालोगे और लॉस निकला, तब आप करेक्टिव एक्शन सही नहीं कर पाओगे अपनी गलतियों को. So you have to prepare financial statement after every year to know the result, to know the profit or loss, and so that you can take the corrective action at the right time. So the financial statement are therefore prepared at the regular interval. आप regularly financial statement बनाओगे normally after a period of 1 year. हर साल के end पे हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे? Financial statement, so that timely information is made available to the users. At the end of every year, we will prepare financial statement so that we can timely provide information to the users. And this interval of time, this 12 month is called as accounting period. This 12 month, this interval of time is known as accounting period. So accounting period is that time interval after which we have to prepare financial statement regularly. Is this clear, guys? Bye, Shivam. Ayush, we have discussed the meaning in the second chapter, so you can go and check the definitions there. Expenditure is a broad term. Expenditure is a broad term. Expenditure means revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Expenditure is of two types, revenue and capital. And revenue expenditure is known as expense. Revenue expenditure is known as expense. So expense is a part of expenditure. Why to create financial statement? Because you have to provide information to various users. Because such information is required by different users. Therefore, we have to prepare financial statement. Also, it is required by law. Law requires to prepare financial statement. Then the Companies Act 2013 and the income tax require, I told you that the law require. So Companies Act 2013 and Income Tax Act require that the income statement should be prepared annually. क्यों बनाते हैं financial statement? Because the act is requiring it. However, in case of certain situation, preparation of interim financial statement become necessary. kabhi kabar in many situation we have to prepare financial statement in between the year. kabhi kabar hame beech mein bhi banani pad jati hai. So this is example. For example, at the time of retirement, agar partner beech mein hi retire ho gaya, then the accounting period can be different from 12 month. आपका accounting period change हो जाएगा. 3 पार्टनर हैं, 3 दोस्त हैं, एक दोस्त बीच में निकल लिया तो आपको तभी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बनानी पड़ जाएगी. So you have to sometime prepare the financial statement in between the year. Now, apart from these normal companies, apart from these कंपनीज whose shares are listed on stock exchange, वो कंपनीज जिनके शेयर्स स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में लिस्टेड होते हैं, लाइक रिलायंस, LIC. So these companies whose shares are listed on stock exchange, they are required to publish their quarterly result. The companies whose shares are listed on stock exchange, they are required to prepare financial statement every 3 months. उनको हर 3 महीने के बाद financial statement बनानी पड़ती है. So they have to prepare financial statement quarterly. So this is the accounting period concept, guys. These were the some important points which I have explained you. So now that's it for today. We have completed 4 concepts in this session: business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, accounting period concept. And I hope that all these concepts are clear to everyone. Guys, it is a theoretical concept, so you have to revise all these again. So please revise it, otherwise sab ud jayega. Yes, Astha, you can ask me a question related to this session. Thank you, Freak Gamers. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayana. You're welcome. I'm waiting for your question, Astha. So guys, these are the some other concept that we will be discussing in tomorrow's session. तो ये concept हम लोग कल करेंगे. So stay tuned for the next session tomorrow at 7 p.m. So if you want to attend more such live classes with me, then you all can join me in Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. अगर आपको ऐसे ही और अच्छी classes मेरे साथ attend करनी है, तो जाइए and take Pro Subscription. आस्था, हम लोग उसको अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे, हम सिर्फ सोच रहे हैं. गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट इज जस्ट अ एजम्पशन. हो सकता है कि कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई, आपको बिजनेस बंद करना पड़ गया, तो वो एजम्पशन फॉलो नहीं हुई. इट इज जस्ट अ एजम्पशन. हम लोग मान के चल रहे हैं. आप मान रहे हो कि अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे, जरूरी थोड़ी कि अच्छे मार्क्स ही आएंगे. सो एजम्पशन मे फेल. यस, इट मे फेल. इट इज ओनली अ एजम्पशन. So in Pro Subscription, you all will be getting unlimited access to live classes. आपको क्या मिलेंगी? Unlimited live classes मिलेंगी. All these subject will be covered in detail. हर subject detail में cover होगा with exclusive test series, with exclusive assignments. All these subject will be taught in English. सारी classes English में होंगी. You guys will be learning from India's best teachers on our platform in their live session. There will be live doubt solving. All your doubts will be solved in the live session. And you can learn from your home, from any device. So the actual price of Pro Subscription is $2,900. But right now we are providing flat 10% discount to all of you. So after discount, you have to pay only and only 2610, 2610 rupees. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you want to join me for more and further classes, then please take the Pro subscription at flat 10% discount, for which you all can use my code SCPRO. So go and use the code, enjoy all the benefits at flat 10% discount. Thank you, Harini. Thank you so much. So if you guys have not joined us yet on Telegram group, then please join it ASAP, because you will be getting all the notes there. And if you guys are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel also, because you want to see me daily live on YouTube. So come on, go and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure that you hit the like button below. Hit the like button, thumbs up button below, and share it with your friends. तो चलिए, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. अब मिलते हैं कल. See you all tomorrow at same time, 7 p.m. Till then, stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, then please do provide it a big thumbs up. So see you all tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.